Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to do some more of my Halloween stencil designs. I have a few different 6-inch wood circles and then just my stencils that I'll be using. I'm planning on doing white and black for my stencils, and then for just the dip design that I'm going to do on my circles, I have yellow, orange, vermilion, and a metallic orange. And I used these in a previous video for some other stencils and they looked really nice as my backgrounds. I'm just marking down where, just an outline of my circle so that I know I get enough paint down for my dip design. So I'm just going to do a variety of each color. Just a little bit of the yellow. I more want to stick with my oranges. I really like that metallic orange, and then the vermilion looks nice too. It's a slightly more reddish orange. And then we'll get some yellow in here. Ooh, a little bit more than I wanted, but that'll be fine. So each of my colors are mixed with water and Sargent Art gloss medium. And I keep them a little bit on the thicker side so that I just have a really nice design for my dips. Oh, that one's really nice. Very fall color feel to it. So I like that one a lot. I'll move my stencils out of the way here. And I don't think I'm gonna add any more paint right now. If you want to, if you don't like the way that some of the colors are, you could always add a little bit more paint. But I have quite a bit down, so I'm not too worried about needing to add more. Oh, and that one's really nice too. I like these with them getting a little bit more yellow in there. I work on freezer paper, and the acrylic paint dries really well and peels right off of the paper. So it's a really good way to save it. It's also known as butcher paper, but I buy it in bulk online because I go through so much of it. So there's my last one. I got a really nice area of that metallic orange. And I'm just going to leave these as is. And like I said, I'm just gonna let this paint dry. And I may use it for something else. If you'd like to see how I use that dried leftover paint, let me know and I can do another video on it. It's been quite a while since I've shown how I make jewelry out of acrylic skins, which are just the dried pieces of acrylic paint. So once we come back, once these are all dry, we will get them all stenciled and we'll see how they look. All right, so my other dipped pieces that I did are all dry. These were the ones that I had my metallic, orange, yellow, and vermilion. So I had a couple of other stencils that I wanted to use. So what I'm going to do is just put my stencils down. I'm going to tape them down to my surface so that they don't move. And then I have my silicone spatula and my really thick black paint. In the last video that I did some of these, I used some white paint for one of them, and my white paint was way too thin. It smeared underneath the stencil, so I'm not going to use any white on these until I can get some thicker paint. And I'm just gonna line these up. My stencils are going very close to my edges, so I just wanna make sure I can get my design in there. So my paint, I'll show you, it's just really nice and thick, doesn't move at all on the spatula. It's just a really nice thick paint that I like using for some of my stencil designs. This is just Blick Studio Acrylic Ivory Black, so I can get this online through Dick Blick, and it's just their brand of paint. And I'm just going to start gently smoothing it across my stencil. And before it dries, while the paint is all still wet, I just peel my stencil right off. And this one's gonna come up nicely. And look at that. That worked really, really well. And just a little bit of soap and water gets the paint off of that stencil. So that one will look really nice. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's go over our entire stencil here. And you can definitely scrape the excess paint off and put it back into your container. We'll see what it looks like. Oh, it actually doesn't look bad. Okay, so that did not smear my paint. I do have a little bit on the side here that I'm just going to try and wipe off. There we go. Ooh, that one looks fun. One looks so cute. Get the light on it a little bit. There we go. All right, we'll do our last one here. Just get under one of my sides here. Get that tape. And just gently peel that right off. That one looks cute too. So I have ideas on how I'm going to hang these. I think I might try and staple some twine on the back, but we'll see how that goes. That one looks nice too. I hope you guys like this. I really enjoy stenciling. It's really great to add an embellishment to your pour painting, especially if it's just kind of blah. Especially for holidays, it's really fun. There are so many different color combinations that you can do for a lot of different holidays and so many different stencils. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I do post 3 videos a week, and thank you all so much for watching today.